When adding a new recipe, first go to Menu, Setup, and Recipe Edit. Once here, press the plus sign and enter your recipe name. From this screen, we can rename, edit an existing name, or create a new recipe. Once you've created your new recipe, go to Recipe Copy. Choose a recipe that is similar to your new recipe and copy those values into your new recipe. Press Yes to confirm the changes, and you're complete. Once you've copied your new recipe, it will take you to the changeover values list. This is where you will edit your new values for your box size. After you've created your new recipe and added the new recipe values, if you're getting several alarms, you can restore these to default settings. First, select the default category and view the default value for that particular point. You can then restore that value.